In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation using Google Drive and Google Slides. This easy, step-by-step guide is perfect for anyone new to these tools, and it will help you get your presentation up and running in no time, whether you're preparing a business pitch or just showcasing family photos. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. Simply type drive.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. For those who are new to Google Drive, think of it as your personal storage cloud where you can organize, access, and share various documents and media in an efficient way. Once logged in, you'll notice the user-friendly interface with options for quick access. Moving on, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a button labeled New. This button is your gateway to creating all sorts of new files within Google Drive. Click that and a drop-down menu will appear, offering options for creating different types of Google documents. For our purpose today, focus on Google Slides. This versatile tool allows you to design dynamic presentations similar to those you might create in PowerPoint. Choose the Google Slides option and you'll be prompted with another menu. Here, you get to decide whether you want a blank presentation or to start from a template. For simplicity's sake, let's proceed with a blank presentation for this demonstration. Choosing an option will automatically redirect you to a new tab, taking you to your very own Google Slides editor. Now you're in the creative workspace where you can start piecing together your presentation. You'll see a blank slide greeting you on the canvas. Before diving into crafting your slides, it's a good idea to give your presentation a proper title. Navigate to the top of the screen where it says Untitled Presentation. Click on those words and a text box will appear. This is where you'll type in your presentation's name to help you easily identify it later. It could be anything descriptive of your project or topic. Once you've successfully given it a name, you're all set. You have now created a presentation in Google Slides with the ease and convenience offered by Google Drive. To save your work, there's no need to worry about clicking a Save button, as Google automatically saves your progress in real time. At this point, feel free to dive deeper into your presentation by adding more slides, inserting images, uploading videos, or even collaborating with team members by sharing right from the app. And there you have it, your foundational guide to creating presentations quickly using Google Drive and Google Slides. Enjoy unleashing your creativity.